I just like it like that. Keep on holding